Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we turn your purchasing dilemmas into delightful decisions. Today, we've got a robotic rumble for the ages. In the left corner, weighing in at $274, it's the sleek, the stylish, the dirt-devouring iRobot Roomba 694. And in the right corner, priced at $299, it's the mop-tastic, zigzagging Tikom G8000. Let's see which one sweeps you off your feet. First up, the Roomba 694. It's got that sleek premium design that screams, "I'm here to clean your floors and look good doing it." It's like the James Bond of robot vacuums. You might even catch it sipping on a martini. Shaken, not stirred. On the other hand, we have the Tikom G8000. It's not just a vacuum, it's a vacuum and a mop. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning gadgets. Need to sweep? Check. Need to mop? Double check. It's basically the MacGyver of robot vacuums. All it's missing is a roll of duct tape and a paperclip. Roomba 694 comes with adaptive navigation. It's got more sensors than a paranoid spy and can navigate under and around furniture like a ninja. And it's smart enough to avoid cliffs, so unless you live on the edge of a Grand Canyon, you're good. Tikom G8000 boasts gyroscope smart navigation. It follows an efficient zigzag path, which means it's not just wandering around like it's lost in a corn maze. It's got the precision of a GPS-guided missile. Just don't expect it to find your lost socks. Roomba 694 has an auto-adjust cleaning head that adapts its height to clean carpets and hard floors. It's like a chameleon, but instead of changing colors, it changes heights. And it runs for up to 90 minutes before it needs a nap. That's more stamina than I have after a trip to the fridge. Tikom G8000 comes in hot with 2700 PA suction power. It's like a vacuum on steroids. Plus, it has a carpet boost feature that cranks up the suction power 3x on carpets. It's like it took a shot of espresso before cleaning, and it self-charges when the battery is low, because even vacuums need their beauty sleep. Roomba 694 is all about convenience. You can schedule cleanings with the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant. It's like having a personal butler who doesn't judge your messy floors. And it automatically recharges itself, so you don't have to play hide and seek with the charging dock. Tikom G8000 is tech-savvy too. It works with an app, has 5 different cleaning modes, and can connect to Alexa and Google Home. You can even control it with a remote. It's like having a tiny cleaning army at your command, and it comes with boundary strips to keep it out of restricted areas. No more surprise visits to the dog's water bowl. Amazon reviewers have plenty to say about both these robot vacuums. The Roomba 694 is praised for its powerful cleaning and budget-friendly price, although some find it a bit noisy and note it can miss spots or get stuck. On the other hand, the Tikom G8000 is lauded for its versatility and quiet operation, with many users appreciating its effective mop function and smart navigation. While it has a smaller dust collector and shorter battery life, its overall efficiency and affordability make it a strong contender. So there you have it, folks. The Roomba 694 is your sleek, everyday cleaner with ninja-like navigation, while the Tikom G8000 is your all-in-one, super suction, mop master with smart navigation. Which one will you invite into your home? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a showdown on Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.